Everyone who applies for housing is offered assistance from a housing support officer. They will help you if you are at risk of losing your accommodation, if you need help to move to a new home, and any other practical issue you're struggling with. For example, welfare benefits, budgeting, help to pay bills, help with rent arrears, linking with other services, and volunteering in your local community. Although they are here to provide help in your home, if you have a problem, your housing support officer will do their best to help. You are not alone. They can direct you to specialist agencies who provide particular types of support. For example, Women's Aids, the Scottish Association for Mental Health, Citizens Advice Bureau, and grants and funding sources. We understand that some of your support needs are both private and personal, but all of our housing support officers will ensure that when working with you, you are treated as an individual, you are given the right information and advice, you have your privacy and confidentiality maintained, your views and choices are valued and respected. All our housing support officers are well trained and are registered with Scottish Social Service Council. The service is regulated by the Care Inspectorate to ensure that the best possible service is being provided. If you'd like to find out more about our housing support service, please call 01738 476 000 and choose option 3, or email housingoptionsandsupport@pkc.gov.uk.